You can get Sony's $200 ear-on MDR100A headphone in standard charcoal black, but what makes it stand out is the vibrant, eye-catching colors it comes in, including red, yellow, pink, or the Viridian blue you see here, which has a lot of green in it. Attractively designed, lightweight, and very comfortable to wear, it folds up to fit in a simple but stylish nylon carrying pouch. Sony calls it a premium high-res headphone, which implies that to get the most out of it, you'll need a high-res audio-compatible portable music player, such as Sony's Walkman NWZ-A17 or the newer and more affordable NWA-25, which costs around $220 online. If you listen to this headphone in a vacuum without comparing it to anything else, you'd probably think it's a very good sounding headphone with good detail and a fairly neutral sound profile. Neither bass heavy nor as transparent or detailed as Audio-Technica's ATH MS-R7. It's quite pleasant to listen to, just not incredibly exciting. Hopefully over time it will come down in price to around $150. It's a likable headphone but faces stiff competition in this price range, including from Sony's own MDR1A, which doesn't cost much more online and sounds richer and more open with bigger, more energetic bass and more detail. I'm David Carnoy. Thanks for watching.